So this what you are seeing in my hand. We call it ebe kulu in Yoruba language. Hmm? You can find this where there is earthworm. This is house of earthworm. You understand? So when you get this thing, put it on the fire at least for 30 minutes. Make it hot, make it red. So when it's red, you remove it from the fire, you powder it. So when it is well powder, put the powder in a plastic rubber. So you are going to be using it once in a year. You can share it with your family, with your wife, with anyone. So get small powder from the one you kept in the plastic rubber. Small powder. You grind it with one seed of alligator pepper. Then at the middle of your head, you get a nail razor blade and you make one incision, one mark at the middle of your head. Apply the powder. You understand? So you can be doing it once in a year for confirm back to sender. And if anyone try to send anything against you, that person is going to suffer it.